Good morning, students. Already we completed lines and angles. Now let us discuss coordinate geometry. This coordinate geometry is related to the position. Okay. Do you know meaning by what is mean by position? So let us see here the minimum and maximum temperature of the Kufri in Himachal Pradesh on a particular day in a month December were -6 degrees and 7 degrees. Can you represent them on a lumber line? Yes. 7 degrees. It is positive means right side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 degrees. Here is the position of 7 degrees. Next -6 degrees means left side to the 0. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So here the number line acts as a reference to the scale, indicates status of temperature on a particular day. Let us observe the situation as shown in the figure, adjacent figure. Here 8 persons are there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Their position in a queue. From the ticket counter, this is the ticket counter, this is the cave. From the ticket counter, A is the first person, H is the last person. With reference to the cave, H is the first person, A is the last person. So, when the reference is changes, the position of the person is changes. So, in here see, this is a students are standing on a ground, standing on the playground. So, one person Sudha, Rama said, Sudha is standing in the second column. See, these are the columns. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. Row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row. Rama said, Sudha is standing second column. Pavani said, Sudha is standing in fourth row. Narsimha said, Sudha is standing in the second column and fourth row. Whom of the above gave correct information? So, here Narsimha said, Sudha is standing in the second column and fourth row. So, second column and fourth row here. See, this is the Sudha position. So, if you want to locate the position, you need to know column and row. What is mean by column? What is mean by row? Column means vertical lines. Rows means horizontal lines. See, this is the first row, this is the second row, this third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row. So columns, first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. Okay, are you getting? See here. So let us do one activity, ring activity. Do this. Have you seen ring activity in the exhibitions? Yes. So complete the table. Purse. Where is the purse? Purse is the column 3. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. Are you getting what are the columns? Columns means vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So see purse. Purse is in third column. Row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth row. The position of purse is 3, 4. Means third column, fourth row. Okay. Matchbox. Where is the matchbox? See, this is the matchbox. It is in the third row. 1, 2, 3. What is the column? 1, 2. Second column. This is 2. Okay. So, that is 2, 3. Okay. Now, clip. Like that you have to complete clip, teddy, so. Is the object in the third column and fourth row is same as fourth column and third row? Check it out. No. Okay. Next, complete this exercise 5.1. In a locality, there is main road along north-south directions. The map is given below with the help of the picture as answer the following question. What is the third object on the left side in the sheet number 3? street number 3, street number 1, street number 2, street number 3, street number 3. Okay, street number 3. What is the third object on the left side? Left side third object. You are going like this. 1, 2, 3. What is the left side third object? Water tank. Find the name of the second house which is in the right side of street 2. Street 2. Right side. Second J. Like that you have to complete the remaining 3. Next, Cartesian system. Okay. Exercise 5.1 only first problem. Cartesian system. We use number line to represent numbers by marking points on a line at equal distances. Observe the following integers. So numbers are marked on a number line by at equal distances. The distance between any two numbers is equal. The distance between 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 is equal. So right side of the 0 is positive integers, left side of the 0 are negative integers. And we take two number lines perpendicular to each other in a plane. We locate the position of a point with reference to these two lines. Observe the following figures. The perpendicular lines may be any direction as shown in the figure, but when we choose two lines to locate the point in a plane, in this chapter, for the sake of convenience, we take the line horizontally and the vertically. So we can take two perpendicular lines in any way, but in this chapter, to locate the position, we can take like this type of perpendicular lines. One is horizontal line, one is vertical lines. See, in these horizontal lines, so this is the horizontal line. This horizontal line is called x-axis. This is the origin. X, O, X is the x-axis. This vertical line as shown as, this is y-axis. See children, this is x-axis and y-axis. Horizontal line x, O, X dash is x-axis, y, O, Y dash is y-axis. In this, the point where x dash x, y dash y cross each other is called origin. X dash x, y dash y. These two lines cross at this point. This point is called origin. It is denoted by O. Since the positive numbers lie on the direction of OX, the positive numbers lies on right side of OX. OX means this side. Right side of origin positive numbers, left side of origin negative numbers. Okay, so OX is called positive direction of x-axis. OX dash is called negative direction of x-axis. Also, similarly, OY is the positive direction, OY dash is the negative direction. Upon origin above, positive numbers on y-axis, origin below, negative numbers on the y-axis. So we can observe that the axis is a plural name, plural of axis. Divide the plane into 4 parts. These two axes divide the plane into 4 parts. These 4 parts are named as quadrants. This is the first quadrant, OX, OY, XOY quadrant. This is the second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. YO, X dash second quadrant, X dash OY dash third quadrant, XOY dash fourth quadrant. Okay, so this total plane is called as coordinate plane or XY plane. The axes are called coordinate axes. In the next class, we can discuss locating a point. So we can draw these two perpendicular lines. The intersecting point is origin. We locate the positive numbers on the right side of O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the positive x-axis. This is negative x-axis. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And origin above, positive y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Origin below, negative. Okay. So for example, if you take this point. If you stand here, look at x-axis. What is 5? Look at y-axis 3. So x coordinate is 5, y coordinate is 3. For example, you are standing at this point Q. Look at x-axis. What is this? Minus 3. Look at y-axis 4. The position of this Q is minus 3, 4. For example, if you stand here P. Look at x-axis 2. Look at y-axis minus 2. The position is 2, minus 2. Okay, like that you have to locate the position of a point in a coordinate plane. So that means here this is 5. 5 means x coordinate is 5. That means that is the distance from A to y axis. This distance is 5 units. Y axis 3. 3 means this distance is 3. That means the distance from A to x axis is the distance is the y coordinate. The distance from point to y axis is the x coordinate. Okay, children, for today let us discuss how to locate the points on a coordinate plane.